We've got a CEO now of this new joint venture with Amazon and Berkshire Hathaway and JP Morgan, and he's to come out actually at Aspen, at the Aspen Institute. They had a meeting there, and he said this is what we're going to target.
Well, and what I find so fascinating about this is when this was first announced, you know, when Bezos, Buffett, and Diamond all came out together and said, we're going to take a look at the healthcare system, but we're really just concerned with our own employees. Everybody's like, they're not just concerned with our own. I mean, these are disruptors in the broadest sense, and now we get a sense of how this may play through the broader.
Well, he said we have 1 million within our group, right. But once we find something that works, we're going to make it available free to everybody else.
But I still don't understand what they're going to try and do. Like, I understand taking out the middleman is the catchphrase, but what does that even mean?
Well, no one knows exactly what that means, but what we do know is there's a huge amount of waste, I think it's fair to say, within the American healthcare system. I think that's hard to debate or argue with. And there are a lot of people kind of taking a little piece all along the way.
Well, and maybe they'll do what the U.S. government doesn't do, which is go and negotiate better prices. If they have all those people together, they got a seat at the bargaining table with the insurers and with the PBMs and people like that to say, we want to take some of the costs down.
And the entire managed care system. I mean, this is a big system. And again, 1 million people in the grand scheme of things isn't a huge amount, but if what this company is ultimately doing is asking for a different way of healthcare to be delivered and ultimately changing the jobs of the people in the middle there, that has a real effect on the broader sense of things.